back to the Nature Boys channel. For those of you that are new to this channel, my name is William, and today we're here at the Palm Beach Parrot Rescue, taking a flock of parakeets up to North Florida to Bellowing Acres. So, if you know Chris and Gabby, you know that they've been working on Bellowing Acres. You can follow them on YouTube on Florida's Wildest. But Bellowing Acres, here we come with your flock of parakeets. You guys done a lot to this property. I remember the first video whenever you guys first got this property.
Yeah.
It was like
nothing but trees.
Yeah. Nope. Sorry, guys.
Hey. Scoop them out. Oh, you're kind of nice, huh? Right at home. Wow, these look young. These are like babies.
A lot of them are young, yeah. I was noticing that. There's a couple older ones, but most are babies.
Oh my goodness, I know it's the worst day ever, but it's going to be the